Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Prestone Tensong baru iaka tenat Home Department habakren hani kesngi halor kejingwan pyndem ki arngut kit khot jong ke HNLC ba Prestone wala ong ba ke jingkhang kadang plie ya kaseng banwan syakman bat udon ru ke jingkermen ba ki wei pat kit khot jong kaseng HNLC ru kin snau tu ba ka kam ke jong ki kan empoi sya e hapo jong kaseng hanrei kinbi syakmat banwan sya ke mainstream ulai nuksa ki arngut ki bawan pyndem da ka baong ba kiniru ki sngotu ba halade ba kinampoi sya hanrei ki don kam ban im bat ban tre ban kata ula kanturu ya ke wege dkhot jong keseng ban put ya ke nuksa jong kini ki arngut ban wan pyndem no ya ladi.
That I don't know, but the door is still open. I keep saying this. I think 100 times I've already told you that the door is still open. If they want to talk, we are ready for talk. As I said to you, the door is open from our side. It is up to them whether the door is open or not, or whether the window is open or not. It is up to them to decide. If they want to contact us, we are ready. I mean, our phone is always open. I'm sure other members will also realize one day that the career of themselves is ending nowhere, is leading nowhere. For example, like these two boys who surrendered themselves. Why they did that? Because ultimately they realize one thing, that they need their career. They are only in the age of maybe below 30. So they need their career more than anything else. So ultimately they join back the mainstream. So I would appeal all other members also to kindly follow the footsteps of those two boys who recently surrendered.
But do you see that more members of HNLC are taking shelter in the neighboring country?
That I have nothing to say. I can't say anything. I cannot comment anything. But of course, our police force are very much alert about all this.